This is not a normal flight. It's a scary flight, where passengers are not allowed to make any sound. Anyone trying to make any sound in the passenger will be killed. The air hostage warns everyone that there is an evil creature in the flight who doesn't like any kind of sound. If anyone tries to make any kind of sound, he will be killed. But the passengers don't pay any attention to her words and start talking to each other. One of them speaks the word creature. At the same time, an evil claw takes that person from there. Everyone sitting there gets scared. He also kills the male air hostage, who announces the flight takes off. An old man bothers an old lady with his stinky feet, and that evil creature also killed him, where they learn that evil creature doesn't like also bad peoples.